Concatenating string and integer in Python. In Python, say you have. Will give you error, so you write. To not get error. I think this is quite a clumsy way to handle int and string concatenation. Even Java does not need explicit casting to string to do this sort of concatenation. Is there a better way to do this sort of concatenation, i.e., without explicit casting in Python?
Modern string formatting.
No string formatting.
String formatting, using the newStyle.format method, with the defaults. Format provides. Or the older, but still sticking around, %formatting. In both examples above, there's no space between the two items concatenated. If space is needed, it can simply be added in the format strings. These provide a lot of control and flexibility about how to concatenate items, the space between them, etc. For details about format specifications, see this.
Python is an interesting language in that while there is usually one, or two, obvious ways to accomplish any given task, flexibility still exists. The above code snippet is written in Python 3 syntax, but the parentheses after print were always allowed, optional, until version 3 made them mandatory.
If you want to